Hey everyone, so I just wanted to pop in tonight and show you a quick trick that I learned for Facebook. So I love this and I'm going to start implementing it because it's going to make my life so much easier, so much more streamlined, and I will see in my Facebook feed what I want when I want. So when I am following up with potentials, I can see all my potentials and engage with them. When I am following up with new individuals who are on their journey that I want to support, I can click on that list of people and engage with them. If I am trying to reach out to and get some fence sitters off the fence or connect and engage with potentials, I can create a list for that and engage with them as well. And then if I want to see all of the people that are in my company, I can go to that list and they'll pull up in my feed. And it's almost like customizing your Facebook feed and what you want to see. So here is how you do that. So you are going to, on your Facebook from your desktop, actually let me move this because you'll want to be able to see. Okay, so on your desktop, you are going to come down here under Explore and you're going to click More. You're going to scroll down and you're going to find Friends List and click on that. And here you can edit your friends list. So you can do your team, people on the fence, potentials, your company, and then you'll have lists and friends that are like your business pages or pages that you've been affiliated with. So you could create a list from here and you could call this family. We'll just call it family. So maybe you want to put in here your mom, your dad, your husband, whoever it is that you want to put in your family list, and you can create it this way. Okay, there's an existing list with the same name, so we can't do that one. But let's say you wanted to create a BFFs list. You could pop in some of your friends in here. You could create a BFFs list, and that way all you're seeing on your feed when you click on your BFFs list is the people that you have since added. So here is another way to go about it. I'm going to use Mandy as an example. You can go to one of your friends' profiles. You click on the friends drop down and you can add them to another list. So this is where it'll pull up your different lists that you have. So you can create a new list from here as well. And then you can just click to add them to whatever list that they're a part of. So this is a really awesome way for customizing your Facebook feed and allowing yourself to see what it is you actually want to see. So that way when you're doing business, if you want to do business, you're only seeing your Facebook feed of people who you want to do business with, you're currently doing business with, who are currently on your team. Rather than going to search for those people, you can put them all in one spot. So that is my little tip and trick for this evening. If you have any questions, let me know.